This is a bright and well-proportioned 4-bedroom semi-detached property situated in a countryside village location with off-road parking and a single garage. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
We'll turn down the lights, let the city rest. Her body's in the night, her head against my chest. The color in her eyes, softness of her skin. No words need be spoke, and that's what drew me in. Follow me down the empty road where that is dimly lit by a face.
If you're interested in this property or a valuation of your own home, please do get in touch.